this kind of law isn't as a big part of this unit, but it kind of helps with understanding the next law. And it's all about molar volumes of gases. So how much volume is in 1 mole of a gas? Okay? Now, so molar volume is the volume that 1 mole of a gas occupies at a specified temperature and pressure. So it's just a very specific one because compared to like solids and liquids don't have this type of rule, but just because of the way gases behave, they do. So this usually is either under STP or SATP for experiments. So your molar volume at SATP is 24.8 liters per mole. So this is something that I want you to put on your memorization sheet. So even though there's not a spot for it, write that on your memorization sheet. And then at STP, molar volume is 22.4 liters per mole. And that goes on your memorization sheet as well. So, this can be used as a conversion factor to convert chemical amounts to volume for gases. So our formula is big V is equal to N times by V subscript M. So a little m instead of V. Okay? Where our V stands for volume, and that's in liters. Our N stands for moles, and our V subscript N, M is molar volume, which is liters per mole. So I want you to have this formula on your memorization sheet, so you can call it molar volume. And put it with your SATP, STP information on your memorization sheet. And those SATP and STP ones, those are the same for all gases. Okay? Okay. Sometimes you may be given the mass of a substance in your question, and you need to first determine your moles. Now, from Science 10, then you'll be using your molar mass. Okay? So this is a formula you should be familiar with, is where your molar mass is equal to your mass divided by your moles. Where big M is molar mass in grams per mole. Now, you don't have to write this one on your memorization sheet, but you should know it. Your M is mass in grams, and N is moles. So if you didn't know this one or didn't remember it, you should put it on your memorization sheet. And if you get stuck with remembering this one, just look at your units on your data booklet, because big M is always in grams per mole, right? Grams is little m, and mole is little n. So then you can kind of almost make your formula just using your units, okay? All right, you want to do an example? Rock and roll.